If you're looking to integrate Navan with payroll systems, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how to set up the integration for smoother payroll management. Plus, you'll get a quick rundown of Navan itself and why it's an essential tool for streamlining your business processes. Stick around until the end because I'll share some valuable insights, including how you can use Navan for free with an exclusive bonus. Navan is a powerful tool that provides businesses with efficient expense management, travel booking, and even payroll integration. What makes it unique is how seamlessly it connects with other business systems, allowing you to manage everything from expenses to payroll in one place. Now, let's get into the integration part. First things first, you want to ensure that your payroll system is compatible with Navan. Most modern payroll systems, like Gusto or ADP, support integration with third-party platforms, and Navan is no exception. For the integration to work smoothly, make sure you're using an up-to-date version of both the payroll system and Navan. The next step is to link both platforms using Navan's API. If you're not familiar with APIs, don't worry. It's simpler than it sounds. With a few steps, you can connect your payroll software to Navan, allowing the transfer of essential data like employee expenses and reimbursements directly into your payroll system. Once the systems are connected, you'll want to configure the data mapping. This means setting up how the different data points like employee names, expense categories, and amounts should be handled. Navan allows you to set custom rules so that every piece of data goes exactly where it needs to in the payroll system, saving you from manual entry errors and wasted time. You'll also have the option to set up automated workflows. For example, when an employee submits an expense report, Navan can automatically trigger payroll updates to ensure they're paid for the expenses on their next paycheck. This removes the need for manual oversight, keeping everything aligned and up to date in both systems. To make this even easier, Navan offers a built-in dashboard that gives you a clear overview of all the integrations, helping you troubleshoot and monitor in real time. If something doesn't sync properly, you can quickly identify and fix the issue without needing to dive into complicated settings. For those of you worried about security, Navan uses robust encryption methods to ensure that your data remains safe throughout the integration process. You'll have full control over permissions, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access sensitive payroll information. And here's the best part. This integration can save you a ton of time and reduce errors. By automating key processes like payroll reporting and expense management, you free up valuable resources that can be used to focus on more strategic aspects of your business. If you're new to Navan and all of this sounds overwhelming, don't worry. You can start using this software completely free through the exclusive link in the description below. This trial comes with some extra bonuses, so you'll be able to experience all the features at no cost to you. In conclusion, integrating Navan with your payroll system is a game changer for businesses looking to streamline operations. Whether you're dealing with expense reports, travel bookings, or payroll updates, Navan makes it easy to keep everything in sync. Remember, you can try it out for free with an extended trial via the link below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the exclusive offer if you want to dive deeper into Navan.